In this video, we're going to take a look at the two methods that you can use to return a TP-Link R600VPN router back to its factory defaults. Typically, you would factory reset a device if you intend to sell, give away, or decommission that device. You might also wish to return a device back to its factory defaults if you suspect that it has been configured incorrectly. If you know the IP address, username and password for accessing the router's web-based utility, you can return the router back to its factory defaults via System Tools, Factory Defaults, and then selecting Restore. This will return the router's configuration settings back to their default values. But more importantly, it will also reset the username and password to admin, all in lowercase. The router's IP address will be reset to 192.168.0.1 and its subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. When we select Restore, we're warned that any saved settings will be lost and we're asked if we wish to continue. When we select OK, the factory reset process will begin. To restore the TP-Link R600 router back to its factory defaults will take roughly 1 minute. If you need to access the TLR600VPN after completing a factory reset, you may need to configure your PC so that it automatically gets an IP address from the router. If this is the case, please refer to the TP-Link Quick Install Guide for further information. If you don't know the correct username and password to access the TLR600's web-based utility, you can perform a factory reset directly from the hardware. With the TL600 connected to a power supply, you will need some sort of reset tool. Now locating the reset switch located on the rear of the router, use your reset tool to press and hold down the reset switch for 5 seconds. The indicator lights on the front of the router will all begin to cycle. If we flip over this router, you can see that the WAN and LAN LEDs have all become lit. When just the sys and power lights are lit, you will have returned the TLR600VPN router back to its factory defaults.